number of companies, institutions, and individuals that have realized the new opportunities that cloud represents continues to grow. A market which still needs to eliminate the existing barriers in such areas as consumer protection, IPRs, data protection, specific product regulation, payment transaction, and so on and so on.
And particularly with a focus about data portability. And I'm very pleased that we're going to have a consumer input on that as well, since my committee is also responsible for consumer protection issues. So I'm hoping that we're going to have a very wide-ranging set of ideas and discussion.
The key to interoperability, the key to data portability is making sure that we've got openness, clarity in the specifications so that the engineers can do their work. That's what's going to give us an open market. That's going to be what enables the healthy competition. Make it easy for people to leave your systems, and then you have to work that little bit harder so they don't want to.
For consumers to own their data, they need to be able to download a copy of their data at any time, easily and with no restrictions, hopefully with no costs either. We would encourage companies to find a way to be able to offer automatic transfers of data between the different services.
So cloud services are based on software, so you need to use well-built, secure, reliable software to deliver these services. It's in the interest of the cloud providers themselves, of course, to do that, not only for liability reasons, but there's actually no other way you can sell your services other than in a really secure and privacy-compliant manner, of course.
You will be discussing in the future not only the attractive business propositions, but also the consequences of building privacy and security in. Who's going to deliver protection, security and privacy? And then it depends on whether you are a controller or a processor.
There are so many issues still up with and unanswered with how the cloud should be actually approached by the government from the data security perspective, data integrity perspective. It is in some way of giving a country back to the people. It is about publishing what we have about the country. It is about publishing what public service is doing. It is about giving this neural network of the government.
By 2016, the EU internet economy could be over 800 billion euros, over 5% of GDP. That's an amazing potential. We need to make sure we are taking full advantage. Already investing in ICT pays off better than most other kinds of capital investment.
The sharing of data will mean sharing of responsibility with a very clear chain of responsibility and very clear interface for the users. Everybody is very much looking forward to see the European Commission's proposal on the cloud computing strategy. We are sure that it is going to give a boost to this technology in order to use all the benefits that it might provide.
I do hope that the first pilot trial on this procurement moving to cloud by the Commission will give inspiration to the 27 member states for a harmonized, cooperative and consolidated action as it was required by Linda.